Welcome back. Thanks for joining us for another episode of Ford the Frontier. I'm Bronco Specialist Greg Roman from Preston Ford.
And I'm also Bronco Specialist Mike Mitchell from Preston Ford.
So we got another cooking segment for you guys today, featuring some fall-themed recipes. And once again, we have a breakfast, a main course, and a dessert. For breakfast, we're gonna make Dutch babies, kind of a deep dish pancake, something you can do over the fire. Great with fruit or syrup or anything that you wanna put on top.
And then for our kind of lunchtime portion, we're going to be making something that I've always known as a tinfoil meal. Some people call them a hobo dinner. You call it a hobo tinfoil, whatever you want. But basically, it's going to be all of this stuff that you would have in a beef stew, just thrown into a tinfoil packet and cooked over to the coals. It's dirt simple.
And then you see here, we got our classic s'mores ingredients, but we're going to kick it up a notch and do something special. So wait and see what we've got planned here. So for our Dutch baby, as I mentioned, this is kind of like a big deep dish pancake. So we've got our classic pancake batter ingredients, all-purpose flour, sugar, eggs, milk, a little nutmeg or whatever seasonings you like. We've mixed this batter ahead. You want to whip it nice and smooth and let it come up close to room temperature before you start cooking. We're going to put a cast iron pan right on the coals of our fire and a big chunk of butter right in the middle. And when that butter foams up, we're going to pour the batter in, cover it, and let it bake. The big reveal here on the Dutch baby.
Drum roll, please.
So, this has got all the appeal of a stack of pancakes, but of course when you're out camping, it's, not feasible to have a big flat griddle and a nice, even thing. So I'm gonna lift this out of here.
I wish you guys could smell this. It just smells like butter and joy.
Oh yeah. So what we've got here is basically a big deep dish pancake that can be shared and beautiful with fruit, sugar, syrup.
More sugar.
Yeah, and I like the way they get kind of crispy on the bottom and then still stay kind of soft and rich on the inside. Michael, you want to sprinkle some powdered sugar over the top of this thing?
Do I ever. All right.
Sprinkle, dump, see what happens.
I was gonna say, do you like more or even more?
Oh, that should be good. A little maple syrup drizzle to finish. This could be a little messy. Are you okay with that?
We're out camping. I think we're a little bit beyond that. I am ready to eat.
Grab a slice.
All right.
Ooh.
Cheers.
That was really, really good.
That is really good. Holy cow.
Oh yeah.
It's almost like fried on the bottom, but still got that richness on the inside like you were talking about.
Yeah, it's like custardy in the center.
Now for our tinfoil dinners, like I said, it's dirt simple. So what we're gonna do is we got our potatoes here, nutrient dense, that'll be great for after a day of hiking. We got our onion, gonna get a rough chop on all of those. carrots for night vision, and then of course we got our ground beef there for protein. So we're gonna get a rough chop on all that, wrap it up into our packet, make sure it's nicely seasoned, and put it directly onto the coals. Now, being that this is a live fire, cook times are going to vary. Ours is gonna be about 40 minutes, but you're gonna wanna keep an eye on it to make sure that you're not over or undercooking it yourself.
Dinner time at camp.
All right, let's see how we did.
Oh, these just slow simmered.
Yeah. Everything's nice and cooked all the way through.
Nice and juicy in the bottom. Wrapping your foil pack up tight is definitely important, so it keeps the juices and the steam in so everything can cook.
All right. Ooh. A little hot.
Yeah, which is welcome as it cools off at night. Yeah, that's good.
I want it on the record that I'm not embellishing these reactions. This is actually that good.
Yeah, these take me back. I mean, this is a great versatile camping cooking format. You can put almost anything in a foil pack.
Absolutely.
You know, so whatever, veggies, fresh meat. You can do this with fish fillets.
Yep.
Even fresh fish you just caught in the brook.
Exactly.
For our take on s'mores tonight, we're gonna do a fun s'mores dip. So we're actually gonna take our chocolate and throw it right into a hot pan, a little splash of heavy cream, and marshmallows are gonna melt over top. We're gonna use that like a fondue to dip our graham crackers.
Yep. Everybody knows how to make s'mores, so we figured we'd do something a little bit different. This is a little bit more communal, perfect for sharing around a campfire.
Michael, you want to do the honors?
I would be delighted. All right, let's get in there. Oh yeah. Oh, you hear that sizzle? Let's get a little bit of that marshmallow on there.
Wow.
Huh.
Did you hurt yourself?
I'm great.
This one might be a little experimental. I think there's probably a sweet spot for the heat on this. Started out a little too cool.
A little too hot, but
I mean, we might have overheated it a little bit where the things separate, but I mean, chocolate, sugar, and cream mixed together.
You really can't go wrong.
This is really good.
And that was another couple of quick, easy campfire meals for breakfast, lunch, and a great little dessert that we got there. Wanted to thank you all again for coming back for another episode of Ford the Frontier with all of our camping tips and whatnot. I have been Michael Mitchell, Bronco Specialist.
And I'm Greg Roman. We really appreciate you guys checking in. Please like and subscribe to the Preston Ford channel for more Bronco content, more Ford the Frontier, and great outdoor adventures.
Absolutely. And comment below what your favorite tinfoil dinner is, what you usually put in there. And we'll look forward to seeing you on the next episode of Ford the Frontier.
Have fun out there.